Have you ever woken up with that scratchy, irritating feeling in your throat? The one where your throat feels like a gravel road. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of us have faced at some point, a sore throat. It is so common that it accounts for about 13 million visits to doctor's office each year. In this video, we will take a look at what causes sore throat and also look at a variety of home remedies that can help alleviate the discomfort. Before we embark on the remedies, let's delve a bit into the causes of sore throats. They can be triggered by various factors such as viral or bacterial infections, allergies, or even shouting at that concert last night. Knowing the root cause can help us tailor our approach to effective relief. One common culprit is viral infections. The most notorious player in this category is the common cold, but other viruses like the flu or Epstein-Barr virus can also leave your throat feeling raw and irritated. On the other side of the spectrum, bacterial infections can also be responsible. Strep throat, for instance, is a bacterial infection that can lead to severe throat discomfort. Identifying a bacterial origin might warrant a visit to the doctor for appropriate treatment, such as antibiotics. Let's not forget about the role of allergies and environmental factors. If you've been exposed to allergens like pollen, dust, or pet dander, your throat might react with irritation. Additionally, dry air, especially in colder months, can suck the moisture out of your throat, making it prone to irritation. Lastly, for those who use their voices extensively, whether through singing, cheering at events, or even prolonged conversations, overuse of the vocal cords can lead to a sore throat. This highlights the importance of giving your vocal cords the rest they need. Now that we've unraveled the mystery behind the causes, let's move on to exploring some of the remedies. Number 1. Gargle warm salt water. One of the oldest and most trusted remedies in the book, the warm saltwater gargle. It's a simple yet effective technique that has been passed down through generations. The premise behind the warm saltwater gargle is grounded in its ability to create an environment that is unfriendly to bacteria and viruses. The warmth soothes the irritated tissues in your throat, while the salt acts as a natural disinfectant, helping to reduce inflammation and draw out excess fluids. To make the solution, you need ½ teaspoon of salt in a cup of lukewarm water. Once the salt is dissolved, gargle it, making sure not to swallow it. The beauty of this remedy lies in its simplicity, but consistency is key. We recommend repeating the warm saltwater gargle at least 3 to 4 times a day or as needed. It's particularly beneficial after meals or before bedtime. A quick word of caution: if you have high blood pressure, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before using a saltwater gargle regularly. While the salt concentration is relatively low, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Number 2. Honey. Honey has been celebrated for its natural healing properties, making it a go-to solution for many seeking relief. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it an effective combatant against the factors that contribute to a sore throat. Creating a honey and warm water elixir is simple yet effective remedy. Start by heating a cup of water, not too hot, as we want to avoid further irritation to the throat. Once warm, add a tablespoon of raw, preferably local honey to the water. The choice of raw honey is crucial here, as it retains more of its natural health-promoting properties. Stir the mixture until the honey is fully dissolved. To enhance the healing potential, consider adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lemons not only add a burst of vitamin C, but also contribute their own set of antibacterial and antiviral properties. This combination creates a soothing and immune-boosting elixir. Sip on this honey and warm water elixir throughout the day, especially during times when your throat feels particularly irritated. The gradual intake allows the honey to coat the throat, providing relief and promoting healing. Number 3. Drink enough fluids. Drinking enough fluids is not just a remedy. It's a crucial component in the holistic approach to treating a sore throat. Dehydration can exacerbate throat discomfort and have adverse effects. While it might be hard to swallow with a sore throat, but it is really important to avoid getting dehydrated, as this will add to the length of your recovery time. Try to aim for around 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. While water is great to stay hydrated, there are other options that can add extra benefits when you're dealing with a sore throat. Herbal teas, for instance, not only provide much needed hydration, but can also bring additional soothing properties. Chamomile tea, in particular, is known for its anti-inflammatory and relaxation-inducing effects. It's like a warm hug for your throat. Broths and clear soups are another excellent choice. They not only contribute to your fluid intake but also provide nourishment and warmth. The steam from hot soups can also help ease congestion and soothe your irritated throat. While we focus on what to drink, it's equally important to consider what to avoid. Caffeinated beverages and alcohol can contribute to dehydration, so it's advisable to limit their intake, especially when you're nursing a sore throat. Number 4. Eat cool and soft foods. The choice of foods can make a significant difference when it comes to soothing a sore throat. Cold and soft foods are gentle on the throat, providing relief from irritation and inflammation. Cold foods, such as popsicles, yogurt, and ice cream, have a natural cooling effect. This can help numb the throat slightly, providing a sensation of relief. Additionally, the cold temperature can reduce inflammation and soothe the discomfort associated with a sore throat. Soft foods, on the other hand, are easy on the throat and require minimal effort to swallow. When your throat is sore, the last thing you want is to aggravate it with rough or abrasive textures. Opting for soft foods ensures that you're nourishing your body without causing additional discomfort. Remember to choose options without added sugars, as excessive sugar can potentially worsen inflammation. Number 5. Steam inhalation. Let's turn our attention to a therapeutic practice that feels like a spa day for your throat: steam inhalation. It's a simple yet effective method to ease throat discomfort and promote respiratory well-being. Steam inhalation works wonders for a sore throat by introducing warm, moist air into your respiratory system. This can help alleviate irritation, soothe dryness, and even loosen mucus, providing a sense of relief. The gentle heat and moisture work in harmony to create an environment that promotes healing. For optimal results, engage in steam inhalation sessions 2 to 3 times a day, especially during moments of heightened throat irritation or congestion. This practice can be particularly beneficial before bedtime to ease nighttime discomfort. Number 6. Lemon. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, lemons can be a powerful ally in the battle against throat discomfort. Lemons are not just a delightful burst of flavor, they're also a nutritional powerhouse. The high concentration of antioxidants, primarily in the form of vitamin C, can play a crucial role in supporting your immune system and aiding the healing process. A classic and easy way to incorporate lemon into your sore throat care routine is by enjoying hot lemon water. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water. This simple concoction not only provides hydration, but also introduces the soothing and antioxidant properties of lemons. While lemons are generally well tolerated, some may find the acidity a bit intense. If that's the case, dilute the lemon juice in water or incorporate it into meals like soups or salad dressings to make it more palatable. So, there you have it. Some simple yet effective ways to treat a sore throat at home. Remember, these remedies can provide relief, but if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. What are your favorite home remedies for a sore throat? Share them in the comments below, and let's help each other feel better. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. Until next time, take care.